Speaking of the Inquisitor, we normally associate with him his strict role as supreme judge in a spiritual tribunal. But Inquisitors were also apostolic delegates representing the papacy in Malta. They were all Italian, coming from the most distinguished families in Italy, and they maximized out of the resources at hand to build a sophisticated palace with rich ambiances, but also utilitarian units. In projecting an image of grandeur, they also made use of food as an important vehicle of power. And to cater for the Inquisitors' sophisticated taste, there was a kitchen complex composed of various units. Research into historic inventories has revealed a lot about life within this kitchen complex. Each unit had a specific role to play. We had a Tinello dei Servi, which was like a staff room for the domestics of the time, a dispensa, which was the pantry for the storage of foodstuffs, a credenza, which was an extension to the kitchen area and included a preparation area for sophisticated delights such as ice cream, coffee and chocolate. Then there was the cucina, the cooking areas, with references also to the various cooking equipment of the period, including stoves, ovens and also a fireplace for roasting.
Ensuring a future to our past.